Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful lace pattern for ladies cardigan and baby blankets, baby shawls, baby frocks, lace. You can use this pattern in any project. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 8 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for border. This pattern is of 4 rows. So let us start now. Here for demonstration I have taken 19 stitches. This is our first row. Slip 1 stitch and then knit all stitches. Complete row with knit stitches. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip first stitch and then purl all stitches. Complete row with all purl stitches. Now our second row is over. Let us start our third row now. For third row, slip first stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Now from here our repeat pattern begins. Yarn over and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now purl 3 stitches together like this. Purl 3 stitches together. Now purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here again yarn over and then knit 1 stitch. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Now again second repeat pattern, yarn over and then purl 2 stitches and purl 3 stitches together. Again purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Second repeat pattern is over now. Purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now our fourth row, last row of the pattern. slip one stitch and then purl all stitches. Complete row with purl stitches. Repeat these 4 rows until we reach our desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Bye friends.